What is good? What is good? Kingsley Joshua, Trade Lord himself, come to you live and back with a brand new video for you guys. It's been a minute. Still trading, still doing my Robin trap strategy. And yeah, let's get into it, right? So this is the current market condition of what I'm trading right now. Well, not trading right now. I have a pending order here, literally right here, at this negative 0.27. And I'm just waiting for the market to come down and tag me in and continue going down to that negative 0.786, right? And I do this all the time. It's constant. I'm risking zero point 0.5 to make 1% on this trade. I am currently doing some challenges too as well. I'm doing a 25K challenge. I'm doing a 100K challenge and a 10K challenge that I got for free from the Funded Trader. I'm still waiting on the Funded Trader to give me back my 500K in challenges so I can continue and trade that as well. Should get that by the end of this month. Looking forward to it and starting 2025 right. But that's what currently going on right now on AUD USD. It's pretty much the vibe. I'm looking for to go down. Reason why? If I go back on a monthly structure, again, if you don't know the Robin Trap strategy, previous videos is on my YouTube. Check it out. So monthly pink line down structure movement, weekly purple lines, right? Up structure movement, but looking to break that weekly structure soon. Daily is down structure. We have this low, last two confirmations here, orange lines, and we're bouncing off that 20 MA, and we'll soon have that picture of power with the 20 MA, 50 MA, and then the 200, and the purple all the way up there, which is the 1000 MA, right? That's a good sign for a more bearish movement. And then also 4-hour is down structure as well, making this, a valid trade to take on the 1 hour. And yeah, we're looking forward to it. And also, in probabilities wise, I got a winner right beside it, So I'm looking for a double here. So win-win. Remember, so I'll give you a little breakdown. What I mean by winner. So I have three different kind of positions you see here. The ones that hit win through and through, and that means when you see this marked, that means this trade right here, it hit the 27, right, the negative 27, and continue further down and hit TP without going back to retrace the 0 point. So that's what it did here. In this case scenario, it didn't touch the 0 point, the negative 27 at all, which means that's irrelevant, for me to take, and that's why I have this alert here: stop out, delete Robin Trap now. And I currently have the Robin Trap set up as a pending order right here. There you go. You see on the camera, pending order is right there, waiting for the display. Just to give you guys a nice little view of what we've been doing the last week. This is last week trading, right? 3 wins, and then this is a trade that I took. This actually was this week. It's literally I think it was the 3rd. Yeah, it was yesterday. All right, yeah. So yesterday we made $981 on this account right here. This is phase two, so this is about to be fully funded. We're at 2,900. We need about $2,000 more. We in there. 2,100, right? Um, but yeah, that's what's going on here. Again, this is so yeah. This didn't hit the negative 27 at all. So if the price comes up here, it'd be like this, you know. But if price goes down here and then end up here, it hit the 0 point and stop me out. So it tags me in and stops me out. It'll end up like this, what you see here, over here. And to give you a better example, it's over here. That's how I mark it up. This would be a loss for me, right? So how I read this would be two losses in a row here. This is irrelevant. This is irrelevant. Two losses in a row. And then we got a big win. And now, I only take trade. I like taking trades next to a big win. So I lined this one up, but this one hit the box. Delete. So I'm lining this one up. See if we get our trade here. All right. Risking 0.5% to make 1%. And if this trade loses, risk management wise, my risk management strategy, I believe I have it on GBP. I have it somewhere. Or CAD. Oh, here it is on CAD. So yeah, I risk 0.5 to make 1%. And if I lose that one, I'll take the next following trade, risk 1% to make 2%. And if I lose this trade, okay, I have two losers next to that win, that big win. So then I will wait for either I get two more losses in a row and I do not take those trades, or wait for another big win, right? And once I get another big win, I'll take that big win right beside it and I'll risk 2% to make 4%. And if I lose that one, I'll do 2.5 to make 5%. And if I win this one, that will cover all these losses, right? This will cover this loss right here and plus profit, right? Because if you think about it, all we lose is, to put that in math perspective, right? Say you have a 100K, you minus 0.5%, so I minus 500, and then you minus 1%, minus 1,000, and then you say you minus 2,000, so you minus 2,000, right? Let me erase that one. Went too much. I don't know how to do it. There we go. 2,000. And then say you win the last one, you make 5,000. All right. And then you're up what? You're up 1,500, right? You're up 1.5%. That whole cycle. And of course, this is not the only thing I trade. And I trade about 11 different pairs, right? So those pairs could either make up for the other one, but my rule is like if I've reached 4%, I start everything all back to the 0.5. Doesn't matter what stage it's in, right? And that's how you keep the markets uh, from basically finding you, right? Because the markets will find you if you go in order. So it's good to mix things up, shake things up. All right, so let's go back on AUD. So that's what's going on there. And that's the only trade that I'm really interested in. The rest is on wait mode. So I'm waiting for a 4-hour break of structure here, and I'm chilling out and I'm waiting. So I'm following along with my strategy, right? But I'm chilling out. I'm waiting on two losses in a row. I need to see two losses in a row. If I don't see two losses in a row, I don't care about win. I need to see two losses in a row, right? So, for example, here, right? why am I doing this on this pair, right? On GBP USD, we're winning too much on here, right? So, for example, let's go back a little bit. Let's go back to here. This is a big win, right? So after that big win, you take the next following trade. This is irrelevant. This is irrelevant. You take this trade, you win it. Then you have two doubles, right? After two doubles, you continue taking those trades. So I take this trade, loss, all right? And you take this trade, you lost. Okay, good. Wait for what? I want to see four losses in a row. So that's two right there. So I take this one. No, I don't take this one. This will be third. So it's a third loss, right? And then I don't take this one, and this is a big win. Okay, so this is a trade I'll be missing. Okay, I take the trades right next, right beside it. I'll be risking 2% to make 4%. This is irrelevant. This is irrelevant. I take this one, make it, and I just made that. I literally make that 4% right there. Start everything off, over, risking 0.5 to make 1% here, and I nail it. Now I got two. Now I got one, two, three. So three winners in a row. I'm chilling out, right? I'm chilling out. I'm not taking this trade. I'm not taking this trade. I'm chilling out. Three winners in a row. Yeah, we're in chill out mode. This happens to win. Okay. I want to see two losses. So I want to see this loss, and I got that. And I want to see the next following trade that we get lose, right? Now I'm waiting for a now continue now yeah, now I break a structure here. I'm waiting for a continuation. So again, I need to mark up my charts. And so I want a continuation, and I'm chilling out, waiting for two losses in a row. And then I can start that cycle again, right? But refresh there, right? We're still in this fib. I don't extend it all the way, but if I extend this, right, we're still in this chill, this just trade. So I extend it. I make sure I get the low 272 to 172. All right, 172. Line this up with that. And this high is 229. This high is 218. So it doesn't, we didn't break structure yet. So we're still waiting for a continuation. Remember, once this gets hit, I'm not looking to take another trade here, another trade here. That'll be stupid. I want to see I want a fresh fib. So I need this thing to come all the way down, and that'll be a con. And then we can set things up again. If it breaks structure, okay, I need to break a structure back to the downside, and then we can set things up again. Along as the higher time frames are saying down. So we have down structure on the monthly, down structure on the weekly, and look at that up structure on the daily, right? And down structure on the 4 hours. So that's three out of the four horsemen are saying down, except for the daily, right? Except for the daily. So the 4 hour is my scope, right? So this 4 hours is going in the direction of the four horsemen agreement. So that's what brings me to the 1 hour. As long as we, get a continuation here, but it looks like we'll break structure soon. And then we gotta wait for another break structure to the downside. Unless, as long as we handle, maintain that 4 hour structure situation, right? The 4 hour needs to remain down structure. If this 4 hour goes break up to the upside and agrees with the daily, That's 2 against 2. And I'm waiting for the 4 hour to break structure to break that tie up. And then we go into the same direction again, right? I really just explained it right there, guys. Um, on yes, USD CHF. I'm waiting for a 4 hour break of structure, then risking zero point 0.5 to make 1%. And I have an alert here. And reason why, go to the monthly. We're down structure on the monthly. That's why I got this fib here. We're about you know, that we did doing about a 61.8 retracement right now, but we're still in this fib. So we're down structured there. Down structure on the weekly. As you can see, we did not break structure. That's why it came crumbling down, but we did not do a continuation yet, so it could still break structure up to the upside. Daily, we broke structure to the downside over here. This high. Last two confirmation was here. Broke structure, downside movement. 4 hour. It's an up structure, right? We had this low. Last two confirmation was here. We broke structure to the upside. It's the highest high. And then we have the last two confirmation that was bearish was over here. So we're still in up structure on the 4 hour. So this thing can very much continue going up. But I'm waiting for a 4 hour break structure. And then I'm going to be interested in taking this trade to the downside. Now we also, in probabilities wise, right? If I go down to the 1 hour, there's a big win here, right? Yeah, I have a mini win, like a loss there. Yeah, yeah, and then we had a two, yeah, two double duty wins in a row here, right? And I take this one, lose, and I take this one and lose, right? Then this one wins right next to it, and now I'm interested in taking, you know, rightfully so. I would be risking instead of zero point 0.5, I'd be risking 2% to make 4%. But since I already made that 4%, that I want to make, out of all the pairs I trade, we start everything over. We start everything over fresh, and that's allowing us, you know, to not get caught up. And that's why we go back down to zero point 0.5. So yeah, I can very much well risk 2% to make 4% here, but I'm being smart. I'm already up. I'm up on the account. We made March 4%, so we restarted. We need to make another 4% to restart again, and we're up. So I'm risking only 0.5, and I'm keeping things fresh. Right, always freshen up and not be too greedy. Right. I learn from my lessons. Learn from my lessons. Just to hurry things up, I'm waiting for a 4 hour break of structure, and then I'm looking for waiting for a 4 hour break of structure or a daily break of structure, and then I'm waiting for a big win or four losses in a row here, right? So either way, it can either go up or it'll go down, right? But I'm waiting, and we're not taking no real action here on NZD, USD, uh, GBP, JPY. We are waiting for a 4 hour break of structure, four wins in a row, chill out, and wait for two losses, right? So we have four wins in a row here. We have one, two, remember, relevance, and then we had 3, 4 right here. So it took a while. But that's kind of the situation I'd be trading, guys, and the way I'd be trading. And I'm very disciplined with it, and it's very profitable. If you want to learn more and want to learn in detail, hit me up. I do. If you want signals, I charge $100 per month. If you want to, actually, learn how to trade, $700 one time fee. Hit me